Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is tomatoes. 10 amazing health benefits revealed. Tomatoes, often mistaken for vegetables, are vibrant red fruits that add both flavor and nutritional value to various dishes. Bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, tomatoes are a powerhouse of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. In this informative video, we will delve into 10 amazing health benefits of incorporating tomatoes into your diet. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes are packed with essential vitamins such as vitamin C, known for boosting the immune system and promoting skin health. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, tomatoes contain minerals like potassium, important for heart health, and manganese, vital for enzyme function and metabolism. High antioxidant content. Among the many health benefits of tomatoes, their antioxidant content stands out. Lycopene, beta-carotene, and quercetin are potent antioxidants found in tomatoes that combat harmful free radicals in the body. By doing so, they help reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Heart health promotion. Regular consumption of tomatoes is associated with improved heart health. The potassium content in tomatoes helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. Furthermore, the antioxidants in tomatoes help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, thereby lowering the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Cancer prevention. Tomatoes' superstar antioxidant, lycopene, has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Studies suggest that lycopene may help inhibit the growth of cancerous cells in the prostate, breast, lungs, and stomach. Including tomatoes in your diet can be a delicious and natural way to support cancer prevention efforts. Improved vision. Vitamin A, found abundantly in tomatoes, is essential for maintaining good vision and eye health. Regular consumption of tomatoes may protect against age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other eye conditions, keeping your eyesight sharp and clear. Skin nourishment. Tomatoes are a beauty booster for the skin. The high vitamin C content in tomatoes supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining firm and youthful skin. Moreover, the antioxidants in tomatoes protect the skin from UV damage and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Bone health. Tomatoes contain vitamin K, a crucial nutrient for bone health as it helps in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Together with calcium and other bone-supporting minerals in tomatoes, vitamin K contributes to strong and healthy bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Digestive health. Fiber-rich tomatoes aid in promoting a healthy digestive system. The fiber helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting gut health. A healthy gut is linked to improved nutrient absorption and a reduced risk of gastrointestinal disorders. Weight management. For those aiming to manage their weight, tomatoes are an excellent addition to the diet. Low in calories and high in fiber, they help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake and supporting weight loss efforts. Anti-inflammatory properties. Certain compounds found in tomatoes have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of tomatoes may help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief to individuals suffering from conditions such as arthritis and chronic pain. Conclusion. Incorporating tomatoes into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to reap an array of health benefits. From boosting heart health and supporting vision to nourishing the skin and bones, tomatoes are truly a superfood worthy of a prominent place in your meals. Embrace the amazing health benefits revealed by these vibrant red fruits and savor their delicious taste, knowing that you are nourishing your body with essential nutrients and enhancing your overall well-being. So, go ahead and make tomatoes a staple in your culinary adventures, and enjoy the numerous health rewards they have to offer. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.